had on his brake. He must have thought his heart had more guts as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. And with the radio blasting, goes cruising just as fast as she can now. And she'll have fun, 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 till her daddy takes a ticket away. Fun, 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 till her daddy takes a ticket away. Well, romance now. And with the radio blasting, goes cruising just as fast as she can now. And she'll have fun, 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 till her daddy takes a ticket away. Fun, 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 till her daddy takes a ticket away. And with the radio blasting, goes cruising just as fast as she can now. And she'll have fun, 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 till her daddy takes a ticket away. Fun, 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 till her daddy takes.
All right, Conrad, this is obviously a BMW. Beautiful damn car. Nice German car. What year is this car?
It's a 2005
2000.
BMW 3 Series.
Okay, 2005. Okay.
3 Series.
And how long have you had it?
I had this car 4 years, and it has 8,000 miles on it.
8,000 miles. So you basically use it at less than almost 2,000 miles a year. Holy cow. Now let's go in the backyard here. See what we have. We got a beautiful day here in July of
Nice long driveway.
yeah, 2009. Nice looking.
Hand-built stone chimney.
Yeah.
Hand-built.
Okay, and I see there we have a Cobra there. Wait, Conrad, let me just see. Wait. I see. Oh, I see you have your Cobra sweater on with the Cobra hat. Okay.
It's a 1966 Shelby Cobra.
Shelby, right.
11,000 miles. Like brand new.
And how long have you had this?
I've had this car 11 years. If you look, it's one of the few Shelbys with a grill.
Any other add-ons you put in there?
Oh yeah, we have our side exhaust with the heat burn protectors over the exhaust.
Okay.
Fire extinguisher.
Is this the original?
This is a recreation of the original.
Okay.
Exact recreation. BMW slapstick shifter.
Okay. And what about this? Come with it?
This is a roll bar for safety,
Okay.
being how fast the car is.
Okay. That's the Cobra. All right, now we're going to look at the Triumph. Conrad, can you tell us a little bit about?
This is an original 1960 Triumph TR3A. If you notice, it has the foreign plate on the rear, the New Jersey QQ historic license plate, registered historic. The original 1960 license plate affixed on the trunk. Now we go to the car.
Okay. What about the wheels here?
These are chrome Dayton wheels. Add to security and driving of the vehicle. You got a two-seater sports car. Nice brand new cover.
On the front here, we have a lot of decals. Okay. Best I can do, Conrad.
These are bonnet straps to secure the hood when racing. '60 Triumph. It has 103,000 original miles.
Okay, Conrad, now we have a Volkswagen.
This is a 1967 Volkswagen, restored as original. You got white wall tires you don't see anymore. Original miles, 81,000 miles, 1967 Volkswagen. Got nice original fog lights. Is original dealer sticker when bought 1967. The car was sold for $1,639, brand new. $1,639. This is the last year of the tubular bumper on the Volkswagen. First year of backup lights, 1967. We have the period correct sun visors. You don't see these anymore either.
Now we're on the Stingray Corvette.
It's a 1977 original L48 Stingray. This car has original paint from 1977. Wow, glossy original paint. You got the bra safety for the paint front end. We got nice Krager wheels. We got the T-tops. That interior here is all original leather. It's all original. Mileage is 83,000 original miles. The T-tops come off, and you very rarely, or if ever, see the original carrying point of T-tops. You put them on the trunk luggage rack.